Day. We're coming to my mom's house to give her some leftover turkey dinner. The kids are playing football behind me. Who's gonna catch it? Nobody. Oh, we caught it. Okay, ghost town in here. Oh, you can't see your Christmas tree, it's too dark. He's excited to see us.
But you didn't find any shoes?
She has a great view up here. Stop. It's a very tall tree. My daughter is off her rocker. She wants to buy. Can you see what she has? Oh my god, I don't think it'll fit in my car. Are you serious? Can you even get up? What are you doing?
I was trying to get in that, but I was too big.
You gotta reverse. Do you know how to reverse? I think maybe you just need to get out of it.
It'll work. No gas pedal?
It's probably the battery is not
Probably
hooked up.
dead now.
Yeah. Okay, trouble has ensued. Can you even pick it up? Oh my god, this is too funny.